guys, look at the fireworks! I'm glad today is the 4th of July and the fireworks are starting! Look at those! Man, this party seems gorgeous. Oh! Man, those are gigantic fireworks! Dude, like, this is the best one ever. Like, I would ever even see this as my life. Dude, this is so cool. Okay, so that's what it's all about. So, bye! Wait, and one more thing. Tomorrow's Muhammad's birthday. Tomorrow's July 5th, which means it's Muhammad's birthday. So, we wish a happy birthday to him. I mean, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Muhammad.